Welcome to our tutorial on the collab-function of Flyingshapes. This powerful tool enables real-time interaction and feedback among participants working on the same model simultaneously, making it perfect for remote teams. That being said, let's dive right in. Click on the collab icon in the top right. To present your design, just start hosting a session. For that, click on the Host tab and activate the Host Session switch. Flyingshapes will now start a collab session with you as the host. You can now invite other users either by sending an email or by copying an invitation link to your clipboard and send it in any other way. If another user wants to join your session, you'll be prompted to give permission by a dialog. Simply let them in and you can begin to collaborate. Once they're in, you will see every user's VR headset with the name above it. Once the other attendees join, the scene will automatically synchronize for everyone. Now, all the people in the scene can collaborate by sketching, dragging control points, changing materials, or simply giving feedback on what they see. After sharing, you can still open another file while staying in the same collab session. Joining a session is even easier. In the collab window, click on the Join tab. In the lower part of the window, you see a list of persons you've been in collab sessions with before. A green dot means a session is hosted by this person and you can join by simply clicking on the name. Once the host lets you in, you'll be taken right into the scene. If the person you want to join is not in the list, it simply means that you've not been in collab before. In this case, this person can send you a link or an email. Once you've got the link, you can simply click on it. Flyingshapes will start automatically and bring you into the collab session. In case you have Flyingshapes already running, you can also copy the link, paste it into the Join per Link field and click Join. If you have received an invitation email, just click the big button to join. However, there are a few special things that only the host can do. First, the host can teleport other persons by aiming at the teleport with the point tool, then pressing the trigger. And second, to avoid confusion, only the host can use the undo function. And that is basically all you need to know to have fun with the Flyingshapes collab function. Just one more thing. In case you need to wait too long on other attendees, you can always play our built-in minigame.
Thank you.